Hi, it's Brian Decker with your Market Minute. Want to talk to you about more new innovation and where it's coming from. Stanford's brightest kids are now dropping out to launch defense tech startups. They used to all go to Google, but Google cut themselves off from supporting the Pentagon. The same campus that once protested Palantir now hosts crowded defense tech clubs with long waiting lists. Picture a 19-year-old kid living in a camper van parked by his parents' driveway. He survives on frozen burritos. This guy's name is Palmer Luckey. Night after night, he tinkered until he created Oculus Rift, the first virtual reality headset good enough to go mainstream. Facebook acquired his company for $2 billion. These days, Palmer Luckey is building more important stuff like self-flying drones and fighter jets that will revolutionize the battlefield. His company you want to know about is Anduril, A-N-D-U-R-I-L. Still a private company. It's already one of the America's 10 most important companies. Here's some of the innovations. First off, Roadrunner. Here's a drone that takes off like a helicopter, but it flies like a jet. It waits quietly until the enemy drone appears, then it screams towards them at jet speed, knocking them out of the sky. Number 2, Fury, a fully autonomous drone that attacks in swarms traveling at 700 miles an hour. The next one is Ghost. This invisible guardian hovers over battlefields and can spot a person climbing a fence 3 miles away day or night. Anduril just landed its biggest win ever, a $22 billion contract with the U.S. Army to build augmented reality helmets, complete with thermal vision that allows soldiers to detect threats through walls. Now, I won't get through this in this. I'm going to break this up into 2 videos, but there's 6 revolutionary small companies to watch for. Number 1 is imagine a missile that crosses the Atlantic in 30 minutes, flying 5 times the speed of sound. By the time you hear it coming, it's already gone. So maneuverable, it can dodge any existing defense system. The Pentagon has spent billions to develop hypersonic weapons with embarrassingly little to show for it. Castillon, founded by former SpaceX engineers, is succeeding by iterating and failing fast. It tests hypersonic missiles almost weekly in the California desert. On this next Market Minute, I'm going to cover the next 5.